Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to open a business bank account for your LLC. This is one of the most important things you'll do after forming your business because it separates your personal and business finances, protects your liability, and helps you build your company's financial credibility. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what documents you need, where to apply, and how to set up your account the right way. Let's start with the basics. A business bank account is essential for any LLC because it creates a legal and financial wall between your personal assets and your business operations. If your LLC ever gets sued or audited, having a separate business account shows that you're treating your company as a legitimate business entity, not a personal project. It also makes tax filing, accounting, and expense tracking a lot simpler. Step 1. Make sure your LLC is officially formed. Before you walk into a bank or apply online, your LLC must be registered with your state. You should already have your Articles of Organization, which is the official document from the state confirming your LLC's existence. If you haven't formed your LLC yet, you'll need to do that first before proceeding with a business account. Step 2. Obtain your EIN, also known as your Employer Identification Number. Think of it as your business's Social Security number. It's issued by the IRS for free, and you can get it online in just a few minutes at irs.gov. Most banks require your EIN to open a business account, even if you're the only owner. The only exception is a single-member LLC with no employees. In that case, some banks might let you use your personal Social Security number, but getting an EIN is still recommended for credibility and compliance. Step 3. Gather all your required documents. While every bank has slightly different requirements, most of them will ask for the following: your Articles of Organization, your EIN confirmation letter, your operating agreement, and your LLC resolution to open a bank account if you have multiple members. The operating agreement shows who owns the business and who's authorized to make financial decisions. If you're the only member, your operating agreement still helps prove ownership and authority. Step 4. Choose the right bank. Not all banks are the same when it comes to business accounts. Some focus on low fees, others on rewards or digital convenience. You can choose a traditional bank like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, or go with an online bank like Mercury, Novo, or Bluevine. Traditional banks often provide more personal support and credit options, while online banks usually offer lower fees and faster setups. Compare minimum balance requirements, monthly fees, transfer limits, and available integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Step 5. Apply for the account. If you're going in person, bring your ID, LLC paperwork, and EIN confirmation letter. The banker will verify your documents, ask about your business activities, and set up your checking account. If you're applying online, you'll upload scanned copies of your documents, and the bank may take 1 to 3 business days to verify and approve your account. Step 6. Deposit your initial funds. Most banks require a small opening deposit, usually between $25 and $100, to activate the account. This money will be the first official transaction for your LLC, marking the start of your business's financial record. Step 7. Set up your online banking and payment tools. Once your account is live, create online access and link your payment processors or invoicing tools. If you accept credit cards, connect your account to platforms like Stripe, PayPal Business, or Square. Also, order a business debit card, and if needed, apply for a business credit card to help build your company's credit profile over time. Step 8. Keep your transactions clean. From now on, make sure every business expense, income deposit, and tax payment flows through this account. Avoid using your business account for personal purchases, even small ones, because that can blur the line between personal and business finances, which can lead to legal and tax problems later. Finally, consider adding your accountant or bookkeeper as a read-only user to your account for easier bookkeeping. And if you have business partners, make sure your LLC operating agreement clearly defines who can access the funds and sign checks. Opening a business bank account for your LLC might seem like a simple administrative step, but it's actually one of the strongest ways to protect your business, stay compliant, and keep your finances organized. Once it's set up, you'll be ready to accept payments, pay expenses, and operate as a fully functioning business with professional financial credibility. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.